for your 2-month JEE main preparation, focusing on key concepts and practicing specific types of questions can be highly beneficial. Here are some important questions and topics for each subject to maximize your chances of scoring well. Physics 1, Mechanics, Projectile Motion, questions on maximum range, height, and time of flight, rotational motion, moment of inertia, angular momentum and torque problems, work, power, and energy, conservation of energy and collision problems, elastic and inelastic. 2. Electrostatics and Magnetism, Coulomb's law and electric field problems, especially configurations with multiple charges, capacitance, series and parallel combinations, magnetic field due to current, Ampere's law applications. 3rd, modern physics, photoelectric effect, work function and stopping potential problems, atomic models, Bohr's model calculations on radius and energy levels, nuclear physics, radioactive decay, and half-life questions. 4th, optics and wave, optics, lens, and mirror formula problems, especially combinations of lenses, Young's double-slit experiment, fringe width, and path difference, chemistry, first physical chemistry, thermodynamics, Gibbs free energy and spontaneity, enthalpy calculations, electrochemistry, Nernst equation, cell potential calculations, chemical kinetics, rate laws, half-life for different order reactions. 2. Organic chemistry, named reactions, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, etc. Reagent-based questions, Grignard reagents, ozonolysis, isomerism, especially optical isomerism, and enantiomers. 3. Inorganic chemistry, periodic table trends, atomic radius, ionization energy, coordination compounds, crystal field theory, coordination numbers, p-block, d-block, and f-block elements, properties and reactions, especially of groups 15 to 18 and transition metals, mathematics, first algebra matrices and determinants, properties of determinants, inverse of matrices, and system of linear equations, probability, Bayes' theorem, probability of events, binomial distribution, complex numbers, modulus and argument, polar form, de Moivre's theorem. 2. Calculus, differentiation and integration, application-based questions like maxima minima, area under curves, definite integrals, properties, integration by parts, differential equations, formulation and solving first-order linear equations. 3rd, coordinate geometry, circles and parabola, tangents and normals, ellipse and hyperbola, standard equations, lattice rectum and foci, straight lines, intersection, angle between lines, and family of lines. 4th, trigonometry, basic identities, solving trigonometric equations, heights and distances, angle of elevation and depression problems,